Aloha my lovely songbirds, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kree and you're watching my budget journey.
Well, there it is.
If you're new here, I document my road to becoming debt-free using the cash envelope systems while on a low income budget in Hawaii. So today we're going to be cash stuffing my first paycheck of September and my last check I received from my side hustles in August. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a calendar of pretty much all the bills that come out of my account every month. All the bills that are highlighted in pink are the ones that are paid for using the 7th paycheck. The orange bills are the ones that are paid for using the 22nd paycheck, and the one thing that's paid through my side hustle is my TubeBuddy, which I just paid for on the 1st. As you can see, I got new budget sheets thanks to Jasmine from Baddies and Budgets. I won one of her giveaways. I think it was the Savings Challenge book giveaway, but since I already made myself worksheets for my savings challenges, I asked her if I could get the Baddie budget system that she created, the PDF, and she said yeah. So I got a whole bunch of worksheets and I'm gonna implement them in my videos, and I'm just so stoked. So thank you, Jasmine, so much. I really love it. So this is the budget breakdown for my last side hustle check of August. We made a total of $971.
What I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. Oh, I can't believe I said that. That's so gross.
Oh!
Is she alright?
Sorry, excuse my nails. They look so gross, but I'm getting them done soon. I don't know, like, the glue wouldn't come off of my fingernail for some reason. I was like soaking them for forever and 10 days and it's just still wouldn't come off. So yeah, don't mind my ugly thumb.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
These next couple of side checks we may be using to cover me and my fiance's monthly expenses, just because my fiance just started a new job, so we're in the transition period right now. So we're using some of our income from our side hustles to pay some of our expenses just for the time being, until the ball starts rolling again. So yeah, so that's why if you see some of our monthly expenses being paid for using the side hustle, that's why. So disclaimer. So yeah, for this check, we had a total of $971 from our side hustles. We'll be taking $412 out for rent, giving us a remainder of $559. $80 is taken out of gas, as always, and left on my debit card. I have an account exclusively for gas, so I can just charge the card and load it up every week. So going to sinking funds, Lil Red is getting 40, Kree's budget journey is getting 40, taxes is getting 191, Ronan is getting 4, and Sept is getting $4. So that total is 279, leaving us with 200, and the rest of the 200 is going towards our savings challenges. Next we have my first paycheck that was given to me on the 7th. The total income that we got from there was $1,324. These are my bills that are coming out, which includes my cushion, and that was a total of $719, leaving us with $605. My cash envelopes, they total $198, leaving us with $407. Then we go over to sinking funds, which education is getting 50, birthdays is getting 39, leaving us with 318 left. We'll be making a debt payment of $185, leaving us with 133, and that 133 is being put towards savings challenges. So the total that we'll be stuffing today for this video is $899. Okay, so we're gonna unstuff our cash envelopes. So groceries has $4 left. That's going in our dollar challenge. Takeout and fun has nothing, like always. We have $15 left from Sept, so that's going in his savings. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 from beauty. I didn't go do my eyebrows yet. Like I said, I know I'm doing it tomorrow, I promise. And I went to go get my toes did, and girl, it looks fire, just saying.
Oh,
I'm not gonna show you my toes because that's kind of weird and stuff, but yeah, they're looking nice. I'm just gonna roll this over. Miscellaneous has $2, so that goes in our dollar challenge too. And then household has $2. Yeah, household has $2 left, so I'm just gonna put this here with our dollar challenge. Wow, that's a lot of dollars we have. A lot of change we have. Okay, work it. For tips, so I'm gonna leave this 20 for now because this is for our tips that we got for our side hustle this past weekend. So I'm just gonna hold off on that one until I get our check from our side hustle, and I'm gonna add it to that. So I guess we have $5, $6, $7, $8 in tips, and this is gonna go, or 6 of this is gonna go towards my savings challenge that I started, that you're gonna hear about later on, but this is gonna go in our savings challenge binder. And then $2 is gonna go right here. So yeah, that's it. Okay, then let me take out my coins. What kind of coins we got here? Got a little something. Oh yeah, so this month is my birthday and I'm super stoked. Yeah! So I saved up money for my birthday so I could splurge a little bit. So I decided to support a couple of small businesses on Etsy. So as soon as I get my packages, we're gonna open them together and we're gonna have lots of happy mail this month because I want a little Kree. So yeah, I bought a whole bunch of things that you're gonna see soon. I'm so stoked. We have $899. 1, 2, 53, 54, 55, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 80, 98, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 899. Okay, we're gonna do our cash envelopes. Groceries is getting 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Takeout and fun is getting 50. Sept is getting his normal 15. The reason why I barely use this fund is because my fiance pretty much pays for everything that he needs. So this is just extra money, so sometimes I don't even use it. Sometimes I will, it just depends. So that was just, I mean, if you're wondering why I always have leftover. Beauty is getting 11. Ooh. So this week I'm gonna, well, I got my toes done the other day. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my eyebrows like I said. And then after that I have a dentist appointment. Is it just me, or like, I don't know if it's just me, but I love the dentist and I love getting my teeth cleaned. I don't know, some people don't like it because of the feeling and then like the noise and the drill and stuff, but I absolutely love it. So I'm looking forward to that tomorrow. And then I'm also gonna be doing my nails. No press on. I love press on, but this month, since it's my birthday, I decided that I'm gonna treat myself. So I'm gonna go get my manicure like done professionally. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be cute. Fall vibes. Hashtag. So now Beauty has 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. And then miscellaneous is getting 2. And household is getting 20. Okay, and that's it for cash envelopes. So we have education, and education is getting 50. And I'm really stoked, or like, I love school, but I'm really loving this break that I get. I've never had a break more than a couple of months, so it's really nice to just relax and focus on other things besides school. 150, 250, 75, 80. So 280. I'm gonna come back to this later. Birthdays is getting 39. So I took some of it out. 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's my mom's birthday, so I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna do. I'm trying to coordinate with my sister, guys, my sister and my dad, but we're still trying to figure that out. She turns 50 this year, so we were originally supposed to plan a party for her, but because of COVID, that kind of shot our plans. So now we have to figure it out. 150, 70, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Savings challenges is getting 133 from my paycheck.
So it's 250s. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3.
And then I'm just gonna add this $6. So I'm not gonna count this now. This will be separated out in my savings challenge video that I'm gonna post later on this week. So we're gonna come back to this one because I have to do the side hustle income too. So the red is getting 40. So now the red has 1, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 25, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 418.
What?
Kree's budget journey is getting 40. sorry for the noise. My family's home, and I don't know what they're doing over there. Taxes. Taxes is getting 191. So now taxes has 1, 2, 3, 4, 55, 56, 50, 70, 90, 710, 730, 750, 770, 775, 780, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, and 89, 789. I should really do my trackers before I do this video so I can make sure that I'm having the right amounts. But I always work harder, not smarter.
I know that's right. Bye.
Okay, Sept or Ronan. So Ronan is getting $4. Ronan now has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And Sept is getting 4 plus the 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the 15 for my cash envelopes.
10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
So now Sept has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. And then savings challenges is getting 200, which is the last. Yep. 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. It's crusted, but hey, money's money, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna be putting my dollars in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10. It's gonna go in here. And that's that. So that's it for the cash stuffing. I just want to thank you guys all for supporting me and my channel, following me on Instagram, liking and commenting on all my posts. I really appreciate it. We recently made over 130 subscribers, and I think we're on, well, as of today, I think we're on 150 something. So I'm just really, really, really excited. And like, I'm really grateful for all your guys' support, like for real, for real. To show my appreciation, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna be announcing it on my first ever savings challenge video. Stay tuned for that video. I have some really good prizes. You guys are gonna love it. So yeah, that concludes my video. If you like this video, hit the little like button below, and if you want to continue following me on my debt-free journey, feel free to subscribe. Again, mahalo, mahalo, mahalo nui for watching, and until next time, a hui ho and aloha.